Digila bona rena kwa ke mang. Ha ke a bo bona boroko go thelele. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Motswana, beauty content creator, all things lifestyle, beauty, and just basically a love of life. Let's go on a little brand trip to Joburg. I think you know by the title where I'm going, but this is going to be kind of like a vlog that I'll be doing over 2-3 days. It'll just depend on how far I can go with vlogging, because honestly, when it comes to long form content, I don't know. It's either I have an attitude towards this thing or I'm just lazy or both. But I think it's both. So okay, I'm joining and I'm heading to Gaborone, where I'll catch a bus to Joburg. I know I'll be sleeping most of the time. That I'm very sure of. So let me show you my outfit of the day. My hair is already done and my hair is from Shara. I mean, baby, I gotta get to pay a lot of gap in 2 seconds. Let's get going.
It's closed.
Bordering to then beside the passport and stuff like that. Saramise, if you feel I'm underdressed. I am tired, I'm pressed, I'm hungry, all things. My check-in time is literally in 2 hours. Huh? Baby, it's a paro kita irang. Nya tshwantse o twela gore nna ke batle di-inconvenience tsa diaparo tota wetse ke se ka go twetsa tsekana guys ke ne ke re kare my check-in is in 2 hours yaanong ke a tsamaya hela kwa apartmenteng ke tantshiwa ke mogote ka gore nna nka ka linga raga ke tabe ke irang. So I'm just going to the apartment. Re kgonne go check in mme yaanong ga ke tlhaloganya re go iragalang gona ke sere are they done cleaning up kana yang? I don't understand. Ke tshabela gona go ira room tour. So you leave your bags locked. Hasor mulelemi. I think we should tell her because mwalo lo iragalang ha ka go tshware sente. He? Error. I'll go. I'm not Hello, ma'am.
Yes, are you in?
Yes, I was able to get into the apartment, but I have a feeling they were not yet done with cleanup.
They are not yet done with the cleaning.
Yes. So
Okay.
I'm just going to leave my luggage here. I don't know if we should lock.
Yes, you can.
Okay.
I think they've got housekeeping key.
Okay, no problem. So I'll just leave my luggage here and then give them time to clean up.
All right.
All
Not
right.
a problem.
Thank you very much. Bye. Hold on, Tsamai. Okay, so I've decided to go have meole nako ya go kolomaka ka ra ga ke tlhaloganye o kgabotse a re o tlile nna ke bone sepe. I'm slightly disappointed, to be very honest with you, but I got this stress. So we're going to Mall of Africa. But most importantly, I am really hungry and I wanted to buy food for the apartment. Lights in misa bampona sentle. Re ta tola ke batla bampona. I'm just basically hungry. I want to eat. I ordered something no McDonald's, and then I'm going to do a little apartment grocery shopping. Nothing else because I'm not here for a very long time. And then after that, I want to dress up and go out with my husband for date night. That was the plan. So yeah. I think I'm going to call it a day. I'm slightly tired. Me, ne ke ikutlwa go nna monte gore masigonyana ke apare jesinyana e marukhinyana. There's this fur jacket I bought. It's my very first one, and I really had plans for that fur coat. So I don't know, maybe we'll do date night after the event tomorrow, but I feel like I'll be very tired. I'm not sure. I'm probably going to go out for date night, but I honestly wanted to do so. But for now, let's just close day one.
Yeah, I know what time it is.
So I decided to do date night. So I'm going to do my makeup and I need to do it in exactly 40 minutes. I am also live, also on TikTok. If you are watching this video and you were live with me while I was doing the makeup, I don't know, drop 3 hearts, drop 3 hearts, yeah, to show that you are a loyal a loyal sister. So I'm going to do my date night makeup and then get to show you what I'll be wearing for my date night, and let's go out. All right, I'm done with my makeup and I'm also done with my TikTok live. If you were watching my makeup in real time as in over TikTok, I'd love you to drop 3 hearts to show that you saw the TikTok live. It would make me very happy. So, yeah. Good morning, good morning. Today's day 2, and today is the reason why I am actually in Joburg. You know, I don't know if I did a proper introduction, I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm in Joburg because I've been invited to come and witness the launch of the BYD ATTO 2. It's a very exciting thing for me. I've never been invited to a car launch before. And I don't know, it says a lot maybe about my brand in general, that beauty transcends beyond the makeup brush. You know, it's very exciting. So I don't want to waste your time and do the whole 9 yards of getting ready and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly do my makeup, install. Before makeup, I'm going to start by installing my wig, do my makeup, and then get to show you what I'll be wearing for the event, and then let's quickly head to the event. So my mess of a makeup station is pretty much ready. So yeah, let's get ready. You see the spray? I honestly feel like it's way better than Got To Be. I give it the like it. Got To Be Malatsiano is so flaky. It doesn't get me like it used to, you know. So if you want to change your spray for your wig installs, look, this is the spray to go for. Take it from me. You know, I'll be very honest with you. I have found my sense of style when it comes to hair. I love bouncy curls. I'm crazy about bouncy curls. I'm curl crazy, right? So I curled this week myself. Normally I just take it to this other friend of mine emailed, but this time around, so I just decided, let me stop being lazy and do it for thine self. So I was able to curl the wig, to curl the wig, and we'll see if these curls live up to the standards. You told me that you need more. Papa me amo. Abom jomba. Exami ajola. Ay ajola. Jola no selo. Wako ma melody. Ang saboni. Upacha go bidori. Akbona eso eto. Emma ghetto. Plama no makeba no go ghetto. I'm officially late. Me. Next time I was late. But I want to go to the event.
Cup 2026.
Alright, we have arrived at the venue, Divine Sunset Venue. It's very beautiful. Am I on time? Because the plan was to actually have breakfast from 8:30 to 9:30. So I get to line registration. I'll eat because I'm very hungry. So come along with me.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, we are here at the BYD ATTO 2, if I'm not mistaken, launch. I'm here with Sis Jessica and other amazing people who are going to have a great time.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Crazy tits on
Oh my baby, you're so beautiful. Love your body, love the way you are. Get you now, give me plenty love. Get you now, give me plenty love. Oh my baby, you're so beautiful. Love your body, love the way you are. Get you now, give me plenty love. Get you now, give me plenty love. Can't get enough, get out, can't get enough, can't get enough, get out, can't get enough.
I'm meeting like a mad woman. Did you look up outside in it?
Good morning. No. It's the 11th of June. Bafana is playing today. You can keep it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! So, BYD gave us a car that doesn't just get us there. Allow me to welcome our first speaker. It is, of course, Steve Chang.
Morning! Morning. Today is a very important day. Today you'll be experiencing BYD's latest DMI technology. We're bringing you the 4.0. And then we prepared 30 vehicles for test drive because we always improve. Last time when we did the ATTO 8 launch, we had some feedback from the media saying that there's not enough cars, not enough time. So this time we prepared 2-day session. So we prepared 30 cars, so everyone had a chance to test drive our vehicles. That is why today is important. Because today is not simply about launching another vehicle, it's about launching a better way forward, a better way to move, a better way to spend, and a better way to power everyday life.
My husband are jacket me ka undertaker. Khantile ke ne ke bidiwa domgraga. Gore go le mpoleleng gore ke monno a ntsa ka ntsaya. Undertaker. Nyame a ntena tota ba ke ka gore. Ba hisa nane ke budgetile serame. Se kae? O kae? Peggy serame. Se kae?
Because I stay in Pretoria here, I know my area going more, and no one touches it. So I've got an electric car.
One thing I'm happy about Segesu Duling is the announcement that BYD will be sold also to neighboring countries such as Botswana and Namibia. I'm especially happy for Botswana because not this particular model. There's another model like I'll put it up on the screen. I won't lie. Hato gona le party khantele ra tsama. Gone. Eh. It's a must. Eh, la ra bua tomorrow tabarla pile. Okay.
When I heard that, I was like, finally. Because we have...
Okay, so this is a deconstructed macaroon. It's like a caviar on top, cheese cream if I'm not mistaken, and a biscuit base. I've never eaten caviar. This is my first time. BYD Bonsadila. So I'm gonna even try. I need more. Hello. Perfect. Thata gore bona ke tsona go iphadisa mo maswa ke go ja sente kana ke feel gore ke dile maragara ga ke I ate a lot of calories. I feel bad. Go iphadisa ke tsona. You know what? I think I should just get a BYD. Kota like bona re be the pinyana make it like it's a bokai. I want a BYD. All right, we've come to the end of the event and the test drive. I must admit, but is it a car I would eventually buy? Definitely. Very, very convenient, very smart, you know, where it concerns technology. I mean, removal of go where it concerns timing. I don't know the legacy car thing. If you know, now the legacy car is over. So yeah, my experience driving the BYD was very nice. The car is very portable, very sleek. I love the efficiency, but it's a hybrid and all of those things. Like I said, this is a car I would definitely get.